Kauppakatu 5 in Kotka.
I can press the button.
Yeah. Staircase view.
It's Kone Classic, or sorry, Kone M Classic.
Or I think it's just Kone. Alright. Or it has bumpers, but strange that this has red floor indicator.
Yeah, probably up.
And bumpers. I always.
Wow, the bumpers. Let me test them. Beautiful. Now let's go to the food one. Green flight again inside.
Yeah.
Alright. Built in 1985, age 6'3", 826, 8% sorry, 600 kilograms. Nice motor.
Yeah.
Yep.
Robert hydraulic.
Yeah. Very nice. Even on classic leveling. Very hydraulics. Let's test the bumpers when we get to the first floor. Okay. I want to try it in 2 times.
Is it by spectacular Kone?
Yeah. I want to test the bumpers.
Can I try it?
What?
Can I?
I want to test them first.
I want to test that.
Not yet. Me first.
It works.
Now with this. Look.
Again. Why?
I said I did do it 2 times.
Why?
Well, bumper testing isn't as bad as like safety braking.
Yeah.
It's safety safety inspect.
I like this hydraulic. Inspected by Inspector and maintained by Kone.
I said it.
Okay. Wow, the hydraulic sounds amazing.
Yeah.
And here's the classic leveling. First one. What's he doing there?
I don't know.
And this kind of thing is probably new or upgraded or something.
Yeah.
Not sure.
That's it.